second and one.
Namaste, everyone. We are the ML Wizards with our project Lawgical.
Hi, I am Rasuka.
I am Mohima.
I'm Milan.
And I'm Chimi, and we have Jayanti, who was unfortunately not able to join today.
And we are ML Wizards.
Have you experienced this? Your mom excitingly shows you a video of a cat feeding a baby, and it's literally AI generated, but she doesn't know. And you hate to break it to her because it's AI? Or reading an online news that's so interesting just to find out that it's not authentic? And finally, you watch something like bunnies hopping on a trampoline and you find it very funny until you learn it's not real. We've all been there, or at least our moms have.
And so, what is our problem statement? When fake news spreads faster than the truth, democracy weakens, and in Nepal, the cost of misinformation is too high to ignore. By Jayanti, one of our team members. So diving into the research, the data-driven research portion of this project, a study in 2022 by Center of Media Research revealed that 92% of heavy social media users are exposed to misinformation. Later again, 2 years after, in 2024, they did another research where they found out that around 67 people witnessed misinformation in a week, as well as 81% of the respondents are very concerned about the negative impacts of misinformation. And 97% believe that misinformation was or would be a big problem for society and politics. So what is the solution, you ask? Well, it is Lawgical. Lawgical is an AI system that classifies the authenticity of news and policy texts, helping users quickly verify credibility.
Let me walk you through our technical analysis. We use a Tesseract.js OCR to process text in English and Nepali. Then hybrid AI engine classified it using rule-based patterns and machine learning on 50 plus examples. The system applies policy, fake and non-policy indicators to assign a 25 to 95% confidence score, while Google Gemini AI provides real-time verification links to trusted sources like Kathmandu Post and official government sites.
So for our AI and ML techniques, we used MCP Claude AI for our user interface, and for our machine learning techniques, we used the following classifications and models, which of the most accurate was the voting classifier of 83%, meaning that it accurately captured 83% of the text. And we also ran the metrics of precision, recall, and F1 score.
So while working on this project, we came up with a lot of challenges, and we learned a lot of lessons from those too. So turns out most of our team members, and personally, my first time participating in a hackathon, and we learned a lot of lessons like brainstorming, collaboration, communication, storytelling. We understood and learned how important all these were to work in a team and come up with a good project. So like turns out we were working in 3 different time zones, so we needed to communicate with each other, to hop on team meetings, and we also learned the importance of storytelling, like to help our audience understand our vision. Next. So what do you think this AI project has will impact in our society in the future, and its future scope? So what we think is that this can be a very good application for brand protection, verifying claims, misinformation monitoring, and fact checking. So what we think is that it can be made as a browser extension, and it will display one-click credibility sources um, for any page, so it can fact check and verify claims. Next. So our targeted market for this AI project are media outlets, social platforms, corporations, and campaigns and research education. We think Logically can be a very good source of media literacy for that helps students and researchers validate and data policy and reference quickly. Next. So I would like to end this presentation by calling all of you guys to join us in building a trustworthy digital platform in Nepal. And that's all. Thank you very much.
Okay, let me show you Logical in action, and I have our application running here. I'll demonstrate how quickly and accurately it can detect different types of content. First, let's try a typical fake news message from our data set. Let's choose any random data set, paste it here, and we will click on Analyze Policy. Was this our system immediately detects multiple red flags? It says we couldn't verify the news. This means the our model thinks this document is not authentic government policy. We can further do a advanced search. So this will gonna like call the Gemini API key and show us the results. Here we can see related searches like links, Google search, Kathmandu post, and the YouTube search. So if we just click on these, it will show us the related links. And here it has provided AI analysis. So what the AI thinks about that headline. The AI thinks highly suspicious, and here we have the related news and sources in official channels related to that headline. So a user can click on those links and um, see on the official channels. This is for the fake news. We can try the um, real news. Let's see what our model say. Okay, Nepal government algorithms. Okay, so yeah, our model correctly identify the real news. It's saying official policy. So it is 95% confident about the news. For these two, we can do a further advanced search. And it's gonna show the related Google search links, YouTube search links, Kathmandu post search links. Based on that, also the same like related news sources and official channels like Ministry of Finance, Nepal. Since this news is related to the finance, Nepal government allocates 1647 billion budget. So it is going to show the related ministry website links and Nepal Rashtra Bank, and we can click on this and learn further about the news. Um, and here we have some disclaimer about the model, like absence of the the analysis uses a dataset of 50 level examples and AI-powered pattern matching. We have trained our model in a 50 total examples, from which 18 were real policies, 16 were fake policies, and 16 were non-policies. If we want to see the more details about this, these are the top three dataset we have used. So yeah, that's gonna be it, I think.